Hi there, we're back with a new Maker update and we've got some exciting things to talk about. Over the last couple of months, we've released a number of new features that greatly improve the platform experience. These are the top 3 things that you should know about. First of all, Erno will introduce support for the SAP Hana Database when deploying your app on SAP Cloud Platform. And second, Arjan Hendriksen will explain a new collaborative development process. And third, Yevgen will cover Mendix Assist for Studio Pro. Let's get started.
We're taking another big step in the support of SAP Cloud Platform, introducing the possibility of using SAP Hana Database as your primary database for your Mendix app, meaning that all your app data will be stored in the HANA database. This comes with a number of important benefits. Applications with large data footprints benefit directly from the highly scalable in-memory technology of SAP HANA. You can build applications with bigger datasets, more users, and more complex operations. You can also keep using the SAP HANA Data Management Suite across your core SAP system and your custom-built Mendix applications, allowing fast, real-time analytic processing and cross-application insight. And lastly, because of the scalability of HANA database, it is possible to run multiple applications on a single HANA cluster without losing performance.
At Mendix World in April, CTO Johan den Haan announced Mendix 8, and with it a range of innovative new features that will be released with a steady heartbeat in the coming months. Starting with Mendix 8, we're releasing Mendix Studio and Studio Pro, previously known as Web Modeler and Desktop Modeler. Development in both Studio and Studio Pro is now even easier because of a new collaborative development process.
We added a new way of sharing model changes. It allows the team members to work together on one project in Studio and Studio Pro and easily synchronize changes using the familiar version control options in Studio Pro. It's super easy. As a Studio Pro user, simply click Update or Commit and your changes in Studio are committed and merged automatically. That's all. The new collaboration process with Studio can be set to any branch, providing Studio Pro users full control over changes made in Studio. You can use this feature right now using Mendix 7.23 and up.
Mendix Assist is an AI-powered agent that helps you build microflows in Studio and now also in Studio Pro. It gives you recommendations for the next activity in your microflow. Here's how it can improve your development life. First, you can build microflows faster because you will need fewer clicks. Second, many of the recommendations provide pre-configured activities, so you don't have to do any manual configuration. Third, the quality of your apps will be higher because the recommendations are based on millions of data points from apps across 15 industries. And as icing on the cake, new developers can use it to quickly discover relevant and important activity types. Go to appstore.mendix.com and download Studio Pro 8 to get started.
These were just the tip of the iceberg of new things we've added to the platform over the last couple of months. And we are super excited to share more about Mendix Data Hub, native mobile, industrial IoT, and more. But we'll save that for the next video. Be sure to check out mendix.com/blogs for the latest news on releases, new features, and product updates, and visit docs.mendix.com for the release notes, which include more details about new features, improvements, and fixes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave us a like and a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for notifications of new videos so you're always up to date with the latest news. Thank you for watching and see you at the next release.